Picture the 1940s, when backyards became lifelines, not just lawns. Victory gardens sprang up everywhere, turning ordinary spaces into food factories for families in the war effort. These gardens freed up commercial crops for troops and brought communities together. Without modern fertilizers, gardeners relied on age-old wisdom: feed the soil, not just the plants. Composting kitchen scraps, mulching with leaves, and using local manure were standard practice. They recycled everything, transforming waste into rich, living soil. This wasn't just about growing food, it was about resilience and self-sufficiency. The focus was always on building healthy soil, creating a sustainable cycle that kept gardens thriving. Their secret? Working with nature, not against it. They used what was available, closed the loop, and wasted nothing. These methods built a deep connection to the land and food. No fancy chemicals, just simple, proven techniques. By looking back, we rediscover powerful, sustainable gardening methods. Feed the soil and the soil will feed your plants. One of their greatest secrets? Fermented compost tea, homemade, nutrient-rich, and alive. Gardeners brewed this liquid gold from comfrey, nettles, or manure, extracting nutrients and multiplying beneficial microbes. The fermentation process transformed simple ingredients into a living fertilizer, teeming with bacteria and fungi. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, this brew fed both plants and soil life, creating lasting health. Plants responded with lush growth and resilience. The process was simple, affordable, and sustainable. No store-bought products needed. Everything came from the garden or nearby farms. This closed-loop system empowered gardeners to be self-sufficient. Comfrey and nettles grew wild. Manure was easy to find. The result? Healthier plants, richer soil, and a model of sustainability that still works today. It's a timeless practice. Nature's own fertilizer made at home. Modern gardening can learn a lot from this old-school approach. Want to make your own 1940S style liquid fertilizer? Here's how. Grab a large bucket or barrel with a lid, gather comfrey nettles, wear gloves, or well-aged manure. Fill the container 1/3 to halfway with your chosen material. Chop leaves for faster breakdown. Add water, leaving space at the top. Use rainwater or let tap water sit to remove chlorine. Stir well, cover loosely, and set aside in your garden. Stir every few days to keep it aerated. Let it ferment for 2 to 4 weeks. Warmer weather speeds things up. You'll know it's ready when it's dark, earthy, and a bit pungent. Strain the liquid and dilute it, about 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, or until it looks like weak tea. Water the base of your plants every couple of weeks for a natural boost. That's it. No fancy equipment, just simple, effective gardening. This method turns garden waste into powerful plant food. It's easy, affordable, and connects you to a time-tested tradition. Try it and watch your garden thrive. Sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Why does this smelly brew work so well? It's all about the living soil. Fermented tea isn't just plant food, it's a microbial boost for your garden. Pouring it on your soil introduces beneficial bacteria and fungi, improving structure and unlocking nutrients. This creates a self-renewing cycle. Grow plants, make fertilizer, grow healthier plants. It's true sustainability, turning waste into a resource and skipping synthetic chemicals. For a modern twist, add a spoonful of molasses to feed microbes or a handful of biochar for a microbial home. These tweaks supercharge the classic recipe. Ultimately, this method is about more than saving money. It's about seeing your garden as a living ecosystem. The simplest solutions are often the most powerful. Set up a bucket, brew your own liquid gold, and join a timeless tradition. You'll build healthier soil, grow stronger plants, and connect with the wisdom of the past. Rediscover the power of nature in your own backyard. Sometimes the best gardening secrets are the oldest ones.